Very fine. Good morning. Last time discussed Chitra Pradhani second. Today start Chitra Pradhani 3. Words through pictures number 3. First, open your textbook and look at the pictures. Second, look pictures after reading and understanding of them and write the correct Sanskrit words and under the Sanskrit words English meaning. Start. Look at the pictures number first. Whose pictures is this? Pictures number first. Students say, sir, this picture's name is Sanskrit words. First Sanskrit word Ratnam. Meaning for English, Ratnam, jewel. Spelling for jewel, Jewel, jewel. Second, a synonym for the precious stone. Precious stone. The pictures number first is over. All these are pictures and Sanskrit words, all the neuter genders. So three type of the gender. First masculine, second feminine, third is neuter gender. Today all words give a neuter gender and ending words is a ending neuter gender. रत्नम. यहाँ पर जो शब्द छिपा हुआ है, इस शब्द में कौन सा शब्द लास्ट शब्द में कौन सा शब्द छिपा है? तो रत्नम अ एंडिंग. तो ये अ एंडिंग न्यूटर जेंडर. सेकंड पिक्चर्स. Look at the pictures number second. Whose pictures is this? Students say, sir, this picture's name is Sanskrit word is Chhatram. And meaning for English words umbrella. Spelling for umbrella UMBRELLA. umbrella. Chhatram. A ending words. ये a ending words and gender neuter gender. A ending neuter gender words. तो कह चित्रम. एषः कः चित्रम. एतत् कः चित्रम. तो छत्रम. ये चित्रम नेम इज नाम, जिनको नाम बोलते हैं. तो ये किसका चित्र है? तो ये रत्न का चित्र है. संस्कृत में इसके लिए न्यूटर जेंडर के लिए प्रोनाउन वर्ड्स है एतत. कः चित्रम. एतत कः चित्रम. एतत रत्नम चित्रम. एतत कः चित्रम. एतद छत्र चित्रम. तो पिक्चर्स नंबर सेकंड इज ओवर. लुक एट द पिक्चर्स नंबर 3. थर्ड जो चित्र है, तीसरा चित्र. Whose pictures is this? Students say, sir, this picture's name is Sanskrit words is pushpam, and meaning for English word flower. Spelling for flower FLOWER. ये यहाँ पर कौन सा शब्द छिपा हुआ है? हिडन इन द विच वर्ड्स इज हिडन? यहाँ पर लास्ट वर्ड्स में अ एंडिंग, जैसे हिंदी में अपने कहते हैं फूल, फूल कैसा, फूल कैसा है, पर कैसा शब्द हिंदी में फूल कैसा, ऐसा शब्द कहने पर लिंग में पुरलिंग भी आ सकता है, कैसा हिंदी में, पर संस्कृत में, गुजराती में फूल केवू, ये फूल कैसा है, यानी ये नान्यतर जाति यानी न्यूटर जेंडर में पुष्पम, तो अ एंडिंग न्यूटर जेंडर, दिस वर्ड्स is give the ending neuter genders. New pictures. Look at the new pictures and look at the look at the pictures and say, whose pictures is this? Students say, sir, this picture's name is Sanskrit words urukam, urukam, and meaning for English words trouser. Spelling for English trouser TROUSERS, trousers. और अपने यहाँ पर गुजराती और हिंदी में ये पैंट भी कहते हैं, पैंट के जैसा ट्राउजर्स, तो उरुकम. न्यू पिक्चर्स. स्टार्ट द न्यू पिक्चर्स. व्हिच पिक्चर्स इज दिस? Student say, sir, this picture's name is Sanskrit words dhanam, and meaning for English words money. Spelling for money MONEY, money, dhanam, money. Ending words are ending words and neuter gender. All these are neuter genders words, ending neuter genders words. All these are words is neuter gender, ending neuter genders words. New pictures. Look at the pictures and say, whose pictures is this? So this picture's name is Sanskrit words pustakam, and meaning for English meaning, English words book. Spelling for book BOOK, book. Pictures over. New pictures. Start the new pictures. Look at the pictures and say, whose pictures is this? Students say, sir, this new pictures name is Sanskrit words lasunam, lasunam, and meaning for English words. Spelling for lasunam, garlic, GARLIC, GARLIC. New pictures. Over 6 pictures is over. New 7th pictures name is 7th pictures. Pustaka lasunam, lasunam is over. 7 pictures is over, and 8 pictures, new pictures. Look at the new pictures. Whose pictures is this? So this pictures, new pictures name is Sanskrit words Sivan Yantram, Sivan Yantram, meaning for English words for sewing machine, sewing machine, sewing machine. Spelling for sewing machine SEWINGMACHINE, sewing machine. New pictures, 8 pictures. 8 pictures is over, and new pictures, 9th pictures. New picture. Look at the new pictures number 9. Which pictures is this? Students say, sir, in new pictures, Sanskrit words, name is Sanskrit words, Vimanam. 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 Spelling for English meaning and spelling, aeroplane. Spelling for the aeroplane, AEROPLANE, aeroplane. New pictures. Look at the new pictures. Whose pictures is this? Students say, sir, a new pictures, name is Sanskrit words, Lokyanam. Lokyanam. English meaning and English words spelling meaning for bus. Spelling for English word bus, BUS, bus. So pictures, 9 pictures is over. New picture, start the new pictures, and new pictures start. Look at the pictures, new pictures. Whose pictures is this? Students say, sir, this picture's name is Sanskrit words is Krishna Phalakam. Krishna Phalam. Krishna Phalam. Meaning for the Krishna Phalam, English words meaning for blackboard. A spelling for English, BLACK, BOARD, blackboard, Krishna Phalam. New pictures. Look at the pictures new and say, whose pictures is this? Students say, sir, this new picture's name is Sanskrit word, Sakatam. Sakatam. Spelling and meaning for English words, spelling, bullock cart. Spelling for BULLOCKCART, bullock cart. A Chitrapadani 3 is over. All these are words is ending neuter gender words. So masculine, feminine. You remember masculine words. You remember ending feminine words, and remember to the ending neuter gender word. आपको आपकी कॉपी में उसको चिपकाना है. उनके बाद उनके संस्कृत वर्ड्स, राइट द संस्कृत वर्ड्स एंड मीनिंग फॉर द इंग्लिश, एंड चित्रपदानी 3 is complete in today. Okay, bye.